Finding apps that make learning fun can be tricky, but Ice Cream. Cooking for Kids brings playful cooking right to little hands. Ice Cream. Cooking for Kids invites children to mix flavors, decorate cones, and create virtual treats in a colorful and engaging environment. I believe this app combines creativity with simple mechanics that toddlers and young kids can easily enjoy. The bright visuals and cheerful sounds help keep kids interested, while the easy-to-use controls allow for independent play or light guidance. The app's layout is straightforward, ensuring children don't get overwhelmed as they experiment with different ingredients and designs. One drawback is that some toppings and recipes require in-app purchases, which may limit the variety in the free version. Still, the core activities provide enough entertainment to hold attention during short play sessions. Ice Cream. Cooking for Kids strikes a nice balance between fun and skill building. If you're looking for a lighthearted app that introduces children to basic cooking concepts in a creative way, this could be a good option. Feel free to check it out and see if it suits your child's interests.